everyone, welcome back to the channel. So far, we've talked about the principles of clean sport, the dangers of doping, and how doping control works. Today, let's focus on something every athlete should know, and that is their rights and responsibilities in clean sport. Let's start with the athlete's rights. If you're an athlete, we are talking about your rights. You have the right to be treated with dignity during the doping control process. And this is what I mean. That a chaperone or a doping control officer cannot harass you to be able to collect a sample. They should treat you with dignity and respect. They should not strip you of your clothes. They should not collect that sample in front of people, and they should ensure your privacy is respected. You are allowed to have a representative or a chaperone with you while you're providing your sample. You can choose anyone you're comfortable with when you're giving your urine sample or when they're collecting your blood sample. No one should make demands about clearing the room so that they are comfortable. The most important person at this stage is you, the athlete. You also have the right to ask as many questions as you can and to receive very clear explanations from the doping control officers. Do not be harassed when you're not clear about something. Ask the questions, and if you feel that those questions are not being answered, you can even record these questions. These days, just use your phone and start recording the questions you have. If your sample tests positive, and we are sorry about that, you have the right to request the sample B to be tested. Let no one tell you that it is too expensive to test sample B. It is your right to demand for that test to be done. Finally, you have the right to appeal decisions through proper legal channels. It is your business to ensure that you defend yourself and you get the right representation. If you need a lawyer to represent you in any of those cases, make a comment below on this post and we shall identify a good counsel for you. Now, with the rights comes responsibilities. Athletes, under the principle of strict liability, means that they are responsible for everything they put into their body, even by mistake. Do not claim that you kissed someone and that is how you got the sample. Do not say someone fed you something in the food. As an athlete, especially a professional athlete, or even a non-competitive athlete, if you're interested, you should ensure you cook your own food, do your meal prep yourself, and ensure you take care of what you consume. You must cooperate fully during the testing process. When you give your urine sample, you need to be the one splitting the urine sample. You need to observe and take note of collection materials that are being used. If you're in a registered pool or a registered testing pool, you're responsible for providing your whereabouts information so you can be tested anytime and anywhere. If you do not provide that information, you are irresponsible, and this could actually get you in an anti-doping rule violation or failing to report your whereabouts. And you must always respect the rules of fair play. Together, these rights and responsibilities protect both the athlete and the integrity of sport. Knowing them means you can compete with confidence. You can compete knowing the system is fair and you are accountable. So remember, clean sports it's not only just about avoiding doping, it's about being informed. It's about being responsible and being empowered. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on protecting the spirit of sport. Bye!